What is up, Midway Mayhem fans? This is Dan, and we are checking back in from Busch Gardens Tampa for an Iron Gwazi construction update. Hopefully there's been a lot of progress. Let's go! And right in the front entrance, we have all sorts of decorations for Busch Gardens Howl-O-Scream 20 Years of Fear. As we can see with the sign right there, tonight is opening night. We're going to check it out in another update. Hopefully you guys check it out also. Alright, I lied. A couple more things for Howl-O-Scream. We have signs right here by the ticket booths. Right there, above security, shows Howl-O-Scream. Like usual, no wait to get through security or through the front entrance, and we are on our way. Cranes are in the air, and that means Rocky Mountain construction crews are doing a lot of work. And here we can see the station with lots of work going on, scaffolding completely surrounding it, and then over here, the queue, well, the thatch is all gone from the previous installation, and they should be putting new stuff on very soon. Now we're in the front entrance area for Iron Gwazi, and we can see some teasers right there on the wall and some new paint on that archway. And here we can see an American flag on top of this wood structure. Normally is placed at the very highest point of the ride, but I'm thinking this one is just for this wooden structure right here. But it looks like it's been topped out. And check it out, guys, new track, and this is leading out of the barrel roll down drop. The concession stand that's right here, the watering hole, is now closed as they're doing quite a bit of work right there at the top, and the work walls have been extended out just a little bit. And here is a look at the scare zone right in front of Iron Gwazi. We can see a camper set up right there. Looks kind of ominous. We have barricades all around it. Now we're getting a look at some of the ledgers in place up at the top, and look at just how twisted that's getting. Another look at the area where we believe is going to be a wave turn. We can see ledgers leading up to it. Pink chickens! Yeah! And not just any pink chicken, a sleepy pink chicken. And there we can see part of the barrel roll down drop in place, and the track above it about to head down into it. So this is a little weird. Around one of the play areas, we used to have a large tarp right at the very top. Well, it's been removed, and I'm not sure if it's just getting replaced or if it's gone for good. Again, big difference having that covering off. It really opens up the entire area. Hopefully another one goes on because it gets very hot during the summer, and that does provide some nice shade. Over here, Lorry Landing, still closed as they're doing some work inside right now. Hopefully it reopens very soon. And a look inside Lorry Landing again, ladders, a little bit of work going on, but most of it looks like it's wrapped up. And this plant area right here at the top of the hill, hopefully we'll have some new flowers in it not too long. Now this is kind of neat. Right below Sheikah's first drop, we have a photo opportunity where you and your fiends, yes, fiends, can get together and put your head through the hole and act like you're some of the characters from the popular show, Fiends. Sheikah, and you already know it's time to get an aerial view of Iron Gwazi from here. Skyride, and normally it's a great way to get a view of Iron Gwazi, but as we can see with the sign out front, it is currently closed, and it's going to be closed for quite a while as it is down for Christmas Town. Yep, Skyride is definitely not going to be running as some cables are now down right there on that tower. Now we're over in Pantopia, and we showed you last week these booths that are set up. There's another one right here, and then right over here we have a house, the residence. The Phoenix, still closed, and I know I failed you guys last time. I did not hear from the park officials when it may be opening up again soon. Hopefully, fingers crossed, that happens. We'll let you know though. And just like Sheikah, Falcon's Fury is a great way to get an aerial view of Iron Gwazi. Let's go do that. And some good news to report over here in Pantopia. The carousel is back in operation. We had work walls up last time, but everything is good to go now.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
Well guys, that's going to do it for our video here from Busch Gardens Tampa for yet another Iron Gwazi construction update. And as we saw, part of that barrel roll down drop is now going into place. And a bunch of new track has also been placed around the structure. Hopefully we're going to see a lot more in the next couple weeks as we're going to have more updates. So if you like what we do, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter at Midway Mayhem. And I will see you out on the Midway.